Now students, in the last video, I had explained you the theorem of areas of similar triangle. So now we'll start with exercise 1.4, that is question number 1. The question is, the ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangle is 3:5. Find the ratio of their areas. Now here students, we have to find the ratio of the areas and sides are given, that is 3:5. So we'll write, let A1, A2 be the areas and S1 and S2 be the sides of given similar triangle. So here now it is given that side 1 is to side 2, that is 3:5. This is given. Side 1, side 2, the ratio is 3:5, which is given. We have to find the ratio of their areas. So by using theorem of areas of similar triangle, we get A1 upon A2 will be equal to S1 square upon S2 square. So here S1 is 3, that is 3 square, and S2 is 5, so 5 square. Therefore A1 upon A2 will be equal to 3 square is 9 and 5 square is 25. Therefore A1 is to A2 is equal to 9:25. So the ratio of the areas is 9:25. Now students, question number 3 is an activity. I'll read the question for you. That is, it is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR and area of triangle ABC is given 80 and area of triangle PQR is 125, you have to complete the activity or fill in the blanks. It's very easy. Now see, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, area is given 80 of triangle ABC and PQR is given 125. Therefore AB upon PQ is equal to dash upon dash. To fill these blanks, you have to write directly answer, but for that you have to do some working column. So I'll show that. That is, see, we know by theorem of areas of similar triangle, we get A1 upon A2 is S1 square upon S2 square. So that is, A1 is given 80, A2 is 125, S1 that is AB square upon side 2 is PQ square. So I'll change the sides here. AB square upon PQ square is 80 upon 125. And I'll remove the squares here. So by taking square root, that is AB upon PQ is equal to under root 80 upon 125. Now in standard 9 you have studied the surds part, where you know how to convert the pure surd into mixed surds and all. Now 80, so I'll take here 16 into 5 will be 80 upon 125 is 25 into 5. 5 get cancelled down. Root 16 is 4 and root 25 is 5. So therefore AB upon PQ is 4 upon 5, that is AB upon PQ will be 4 upon 5. Now let's move on to question number 5. I will read out the question to you. Areas of two similar triangle are 225 square centimeter and 81 square centimeter. If a side of a smaller triangle is 12 centimeter then find the corresponding side of bigger triangle. Now students, here it is given that both the triangles are similar. For both the triangles, areas are given 225 and 81. The smaller side is given 12. You have to find the corresponding side of bigger side of the triangle. So here again we will use the same theorem, that is theorem of areas of similar triangle. So first we'll write here, let the areas of two similar triangle be A1 and A2. Let their respective corresponding sides be S1 and S2. We are writing here, let the areas of two similar triangle be A1 and A2 and their respective corresponding sides be S1 and S2. So we know A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square. That is, by theorem of areas of similar triangle. So here A1 is to A2 is given 225 is to 81 and S2 is given 12 centimeter given. So I'll substitute the value, that is A1 is 225 upon A2 is 81 will be equal to S1 square we have to find out and S2 is 12 square. So by cross multiplication, S1 square will be 225 multiplied by 12 square. 225 multiplied by 12 square upon 81. Now we can see here we have square. So we'll remove the square, that is by taking square root on both the sides. We get S1 is equal to 225, the root will be 15. 15 square is 225. Multiply by 12 square means we'll take only 12. And 81 means 9. 9 nines are 81. So 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. 5 4s are 20. So S1 is equal to 20 centimeter. So my final statement is the corresponding sides of bigger triangle is 20 centimeter. 5 4s are 20. So find corresponding side of bigger triangle. So my statement goes like this. Therefore, corresponding side of bigger triangle is 20 centimeter. Now let's move on to question number 6. Now it is given that area of triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles. These both triangles are equilateral triangle. If area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle DEF is 1:2, the ratio of the areas of both triangles are given, and length AB is 4, you have to find DE. Now first you have to find out here, you have to prove that both the triangles are similar, and then you can use the theorem of areas of similar triangle to find out DE. So what we'll do, first we'll write triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangle, that is given, right? ABC and DEF, both triangles are equilateral. Now we know that when a triangle is an equilateral triangle, every angle is 60 degree. So for triangle ABC and DEF, we know angle A equal to angle B equals to angle C equals to angle D equals to angle E and equals to angle F. All the angles equals to 60 degree. Since it is angles of equilateral triangle, let this be my statement number 1. Now I will prove these both triangles are similar by similarity test. So I'll take like this: in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A is equal to angle D. Angle A is equal to angle D and angle B is equal to angle C. Angle B equal to angle B equal to angle E. Angle B equal to angle E. Once again, see, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A equals to angle D and angle B equals to angle E. Now this is from 1, each angle 60 degree. So by angle test, we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, that is by AA test of similarity. So now I can use, I have proved that both triangles are similar. I can use now theorem of areas of similar triangle. That is, we know A1 upon A2 will be S1 square upon S2 square. Now here, see, the ratios are given already. Area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle DEF is 1:2. So I will substitute the value. 1 upon 2 is equal to AB, that is side 1 is given 4. 4 square upon side 2, that is DE square we have to find out, right? Or you can also write here, if you want, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to, as AB is given, so AB square upon DE square. So see, ABC upon DEF is 1/2, ratio is given, is equal to AB is given 4, so AB square upon DE square we have to find out. So by cross multiplication again, DE square will be 4 square into 2. DE square will be 4 square multiplied by 2. So by taking square root on both the sides, we get DE equal to 4 square means 4 square will be 16. So by taking root again we get 4 and 2 will be root. So DE is 4 root 2.